Want to do a quick video. This is a 1928 Model AA Ford truck dump bed. We're doing, it did have a 4-cylinder going to a 37 Ford V8 flathead. Putting in there. Engine and transmission out of it came out of the car. Some of the modifications, we had to modify the firewall back there about 3/4 of an inch or so. Had to make up that oil filled tube and breather. There's some motor mounts in that were bought and made work. Everything pretty much, the transmission fits up almost like stock position. And you can see the firewall bump out a little bit. And this is a dump bed, cable dump bed. This is a cable and a crank. Huge springs. Big tires. There's the crank. Big bump out to clear the steering box from the head. Really had to pull the frame out pretty far. Should be a pretty good upgrade from the little 4-cylinder it did have to pull all that weight around.